Picture this. It's Friday evening. You've just finished a long work week. Your body is in the car, but your brain is completely dead. Cooking feels impossible. So you open a food delivery app. You order something expensive. You sit on the couch, you scroll your phone, and you tell yourself one sentence: I earned this. But what if I told you that mathematically you didn't earn much at all? What if I told you that after hidden costs, stress, time, and taxes, your good salary might actually be paying you close to minimum wage? Not because you're lazy, not because you're bad with money, but because you were never taught to calculate the real price of a job. Today, we're not talking about motivation. We're not talking about investing. We're talking about the biggest illusion in modern life: your salary. 1. The lie we all believe. From school, we are taught one thing: get a good job, get a good salary, everything will be fine. So you get an offer letter. It says 80,000 rupees per month, or $80,000 per year. Your brain immediately relaxes. You divide it by 160 hours. You think, wow, I make good money per hour. But here's the problem. That number is fake. Because just like a business, income alone means nothing. If a shop earns 10 lakh rupees but spends 9.8 lakh to survive, that shop is almost broke. But with jobs, we only look at income. We ignore the cost of working. And that mistake is destroying people's lives. 2. The hidden cost of a job. Let's take a normal person. We'll call him Rahul. Rahul earns 80,000 rupees per month. Sounds good, right? Now, let's do real math. 1. Taxes. Before Rahul touches his money, tax already cuts a big piece. 80,000 rupees becomes around 60,000 rupees, already reduced. 2. Commute. Rahul travels daily. Fuel, maintenance, insurance, Metro Pass. This cost exists only because of the job. 6,000 to 8,000 rupees per month gone. 3. Work clothes and appearance. Office clothes, shoes, haircuts, looking professional. Another hidden cost. 4. Convenience spending. Because Rahul is tired, outside food, coffee, quick snacks, online orders, not luxury, survival spending. 5. Stress spending, the most dangerous. Friday night food, weekend escape, shopping to feel better, subscriptions he barely uses, money spent just to recover from work. After all this, Rahul isn't saving 80,000 rupees. He's barely left with anything meaningful. 3. The time theft nobody talks about. Now comes the biggest scam: time. HR says you work 8 hours a day. That's a lie. Rahul's real day looks like this: getting ready for work, traveling to office, working 8 hours, lunch trapped near the office, traveling back, brain dead recovery time, thinking about work at night. This is not 8 hours. This is 11 to 12 hours a day. That's almost 60 hours a week dedicated to the job. So now let's calculate low real income divided by very high real hours. Suddenly, that high-paying job is paying Rahul almost the same as a low-wage worker, but with more stress, more responsibility, more mental damage. 4. The promotion trap. Now someone says, just get a promotion. So Rahul becomes a manager. Salary increases. But guess what also increases? Late nights, more stress, more food orders, more expensive lifestyle, more expectations. He earns more on paper, but his real hourly wage drops. This is called the golden handcuffs. You earn more, but you are less free. 5. The real wake-up call. You're not poor because you don't earn enough. You're poor because you sell too much time for too little real return. Once you calculate your real hourly wage, everything changes. That 2,000 rupee shoes, it's not money, it's hours of your life. That subscription you don't use, it's weeks of your future freedom. The rich don't buy more things, they buy time. The poor sell time cheaply and spend money to survive that pain. 6. What to do instead. No, the solution isn't quit your job tomorrow. The solution is smarter. Step 1. Calculate your real hourly wage. Include taxes, commute, stress spending, and real hours. Step 2. Kill job-created expenses. Reduce commute, cook more, stop impressing coworkers. Step 3. Think in hours, not money. Before buying anything, ask, how many hours of my life is this? Step 4. Increase margin, not salary. Freedom comes from gap, not income. Your job isn't evil, but blindly trusting salary numbers is dangerous. Once you see the illusion, you can never unsee it. And that's good, because awareness is the first step to freedom. If this video changed how you see your paycheck, share it with someone who looks tired. I'll see you in the next one.